In this video, we will see keyword argument in function. So let's see what is the keyword argument by an example. So when we use keyword argument, so when user want to pass variable number of key value pair, so he want to pass the parameter name as well and its argument, and the number of these key value pair is not fixed. Then in this case, we use key value argument, and in this it is stored the data in dictionary. You can understand this by this example. Fx, I am defining a function fx. It takes name, then it return print length of name. It will print length of name. Now call this function fn and pass the value Rahul. Now you can see it is returning length of Rahul. There, it will returning the number of character in Rahul. So, so if user want that pass, I want to pass this like this. I want to pass function name as well its value, a parameter name as well its value. So name is Rahul, and this will be variable, means it can pass any number of key value pair, like it passed name, it passed age is 26, 56, and a city is Delhi. So so if a condition like this, so then we use keyword argument. So how we use keyword argument, like uh, like we did in, so it will obviously it will raise an error. So like we did uh, in arbitrary argument, we can do same like this here, like define a function gx. Sorry. So define a function gx, and then double asterisk, and then name of the keyword argument you want. So traditionally we use kwrs. You can name it any you want. You can name dy, xy, xyg, anything. So this is this. So now it stored the value in dictionary. So just print kwrs, kwargs, and print also what type of kwrs. Now in this case, now here copying this, control C, and changing the name of function here. So gx, now calling gx function and passing as many values we want. So let's see this. So now it is printing that name is Rahul, age is 56, city is Delhi. Now its type is dictionary, as here you can see. So we can perform any operation uh, using dictionary operation. Uh, like we can print a message to Rahul that your age is this and your year this. So let's do this. Let's doing this. Defining the I am modifying actually it, modifying it. So this is my, I don't want to print this. I will, what I will do, I will iterate through this dictionary for I in range. sorry, in kw hours, then I will print your sorry f string your uh, I your sorry your I is then I is what will be I is kw arcs I. So I want to print message like this. So you can see now calling here, now calling again this function, control C, control V, and one passing one more key value pair. So city, and then what we can pass, uh, his his height. His height is 5'10". So let's call it. So now you can see it is printing your name is sorry because I didn't include it within curly braces. So now you can see. So your name is Rahul, your age is 56, your city is Delhi, and your height is 5.1. It is making 5.10 to 5.1. So actually we can do like this. So what here we can do? Actually we have to do a lot of things if integer. So if I want to print here 5 point, like I am printing print 5.100. So it is printing 5.1, but we want to print 5.100. So 10. So how we can do this? Just use a round function, round, round of 5.100. Then we want two digits after decimal, then specify this 2. Now why it is not printing? I don't know why it is not printing. I will check this. It has to print here. It is let's defining is 3. So I don't know why it is doing this. So I will cover this in next video, in any video. So thanks for watching this video. In next video we will define a full scale function. In that function we will use uh, non-default argument, default argument, and arbitrary argument, as well as keyword argument, and also we will use the concept of local and global variable. So so next video will be very important for you to understand the a function in full scale. So thanks for watching this video. Meeting you in next one.